What do you think we should do today? Let's go show the viewers some of our new friends. Oh yeah. Okay, Peggy, come and show yourself. I've been in a few episodes. Yeah. And meet my friend Blake. Seen him in an episode.
Hello, I'm Blake. Woo!
And I'm Rocky.
Rocky, he's a completely new guy.
And Jack. You've seen him in episode 2.
No, that was Mac. Jack?
And
Maybe.
Yeah, it was.
Mac was in episode 2. He was the saviour. There's Mac. Okay, guys, what should we do today?
Let's go exploring and try and make new friends.
Sounds good.
Here we are, guys. Oh, there's somebody. Please, guys. There's somebody here.
What are you guys doing in my lair?
We just came to save that guy that was outside.
You won't save 9 people. Now I'm eating them for breakfast tomorrow. Maybe you guys for tea.
Please, guys, save me, please.
You guys got to defeat me in order to get yourselves
Okay,
and him out of here.
Okay, so Mac should be the best at this.
Get him, Mac.
Guys, I'm not really sure about this.
You bastard! I'm gonna get you, Mac!
Wanna come?
No! I'm Rocky. I can make lots of rocks fall on him. Whee! Rocky attack! Rocky attack? Sounds noobish. Sounds noobish. That ain't gonna hold me up. Woo! Oh, fine. Again!
Bloody asshole.
Buggy. Let me go! Let me go! Whoa!